Welcome to science class. In this class, I am going to explain about digital thermometer and scales of thermometers in the chapter heat and temperature. Digital thermometer. Here is a lot of concern over the use of mercury in thermometers. Mercury is a toxic substance and is very difficult to dispose if a thermometer breaks. These days, digital thermometers are available which do not use mercury. Instead of mercury, it has a sensor which can measure the heat coming out from the body directly from that can measure the temperature of the body. Digital thermometers are used mainly to take the body temperature. The temperature in digital thermometer is easy to read. Use of digital thermometer. In digital thermometer, display, probe and tip is there. Wash the tip with warm water, not hot water. Warm soapy water. Press the on button. Insert the tip of the thermometer into the mouth, bottom or under the armpit. Hold the thermometer in place until it beeps, that is about 30 seconds. Read the display. Turn off the thermometer, rinse under water and put it away in a safe place. Caution. We are advised not to use a clinical thermometer for measuring the temperature of any object other than human body. Also, we are advised to avoid keeping it in the sun or near a flame. A clinical thermometer has small temperature range. The glass will crack or burst due to the excessive pressure created by expansion of mercury. In this figure, the mercury expands at high temperature is shown here. Maximum minimum thermometer. The maximum and minimum temperatures of the previous day reported in weather reports are measured by a thermometer called the maximum minimum thermometer. Here, maximum and minimum thermometer is shown. Next, we learn about scales of thermometers. There are three types of scales of thermometers are used. Fahrenheit scale, Celsius scale and Kelvin scale. Celsius scale. Celsius is the common unit of measuring temperature termed after Swedish astronomer Anders Celsius in 1742. Before that, it was known as centigrade as thermometers. He is Anders Celsius. Centigrade thermometers using this scale are calibrated from 0 degrees Celsius freezing point of water to 100 degrees Celsius is boiling point of water. In Greek, centum means 100 and gradus means steps. Both words make it centigrade and later Celsius. Here Celsius scale thermometer shown here. In Celsius scale, 0 degrees Celsius is the freezing point of water and 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point of water. Absolute zero temperature is equal to minus 273 degrees Celsius. Fahrenheit scale. Fahrenheit is a common unit to measure human body temperature. It is termed after the name of a German physicist Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit. In this figure, Fahrenheit scale thermometer is shown. In Fahrenheit scale, the boiling point of water is 212 degree Fahrenheit. The freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. And absolute zero temperature is minus 459 degree Fahrenheit. Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale is termed after Lord Kelvin. Kelvin is the SI unit of measuring temperature and written as capital K, also known as absolute scale, as it starts from absolute zero temperature. This is the Kelvin scale. Kelvin scale starts from absolute zero Kelvin. Freezing point of water is 273 Kelvin and boiling point of water is 373 Kelvin. Here 3 scales of thermometer is shown. Here in this figure, relation between Fahrenheit scale and Celsius scale is given. F minus 32 divided by 9 equal to C minus divided by 5. If we know the temperature in Celsius scale, we can find the temperature in Kelvin scale using Kelvin equal to 273.15 plus Celsius equation. Most of the people in the world use the Celsius scale to measure the temperature for day-to-day purpose. The Kelvin scale has been designed in such a way it is not only as absolute temperature scale but also 1 degree change is equal to 1 Kelvin change. This makes the conversion from Celsius to absolute temperature scale easy. Just the addition or subtraction of a constant 273.15. But in United States, they prefer to use the Fahrenheit scale. The problem is converting Fahrenheit to absolute scale is not easy. To sort out this problem, they use the Rankine scale. It named after the Glasgow University engineer and physicist Rankine, who proposed it in 1859. It is an absolute temperature scale and has the property of having 1 degree Rankine change is equal to 1 degree Fahrenheit change. Fahrenheit users who need to work with absolute temperature can be converted to Rankine by Rankine equal to Fahrenheit plus 459.67. Here Rankine to Fahrenheit converter and Fahrenheit to Rankine converter are shown. Some of the important temperatures are given in Kelvin, Fahrenheit and Celsius scales. 10 to the power 32 Kelvin is the temperature of the universe in the earliest moment after the Big Bang. 1 Kelvin. The Boomerang Nebula maintains the coldest known natural temperature in the universe. In Celsius scale, minus 272.15 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit, 1 Kelvin is equal to minus 457.87 degree Fahrenheit. Hottest and natural temperature ever recorded on Earth. In Kelvin scale, 329.85 Kelvin. In Celsius scale, 56.7 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale, 134.06 degree Fahrenheit. Coldest natural temperature ever recorded on Earth. In Kelvin scale, 178.45 Kelvin. In Celsius scale, minus 94.7 degree Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale, minus 138.46 degree Fahrenheit. Absolute zero temperature is 0 Kelvin. In Celsius scale, minus 273.15 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale, minus 459.67 degree Fahrenheit. The freezing point of water in Kelvin scale is 273.15 Kelvin. In Celsius scale, it is 0 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale, the freezing point of water is 32 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling point of water in Kelvin scale, 373.15 Kelvin. In Celsius scale, 100 degrees Celsius. In Fahrenheit scale, 212 degree Fahrenheit. Average human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius in Celsius scale, 98.5 degrees Fahrenheit in Fahrenheit scale and 310.15 Kelvin in Kelvin scale. Students, I hope you have understood the digital thermometers and scales of thermometers. Thank you.